So for the basic layout of the project, what I will do is I'll just take a control node, put in a text edit, and then I'm just going to maybe put in a back panel for the background, maybe anchor it to the full screen, to the full length of the screen or width. And then I'll just take my text edit and also scale it up and maybe shrink it a bit. I'm doing too much. This is not really necessary for this tutorial, but why not? Aesthetics. So I'll just save my scene, and then I can go here to my control node. Oh, what I want to do first. So I'll just create a new text file, and then maybe call it test. So this is just a basic text file, and that's how you create one in Godot. You right click on the file system over here, and then you just create a new text file. So I'll just write sample text here. And then I'll press Control A and Control A to select everything, then Control C to copy. And then I'll come here to my control node, and then I'll just attach a script to it. And then what I want to do is, in order for us to get stuff from our clipboard, we'll just come here, and then I'll just do this. So I'll just select my text edit node. So text edit the text is equal to display server dot clipboard get, and that's basically how you get stuff from your clipboard. And when I run this with my text already copied, I will see it is already pasted or copied to my text edit node. So that's how you get stuff from your clipboard. But how do you set stuff to your clipboard? How do you copy to your clipboard? How we do that is we'll just come here, and then I'll create another button, and then I'll write something like copy. Then I'll drag this somewhere at the bottom, and then I'll just take a signal, not toggled, pressed, then I'll connect it to the script, and then I will just write when the button is pressed, of course. So when this button is pressed, when the copy button is pressed, I'll just say text edit, or no, display server dot set clipboard set, and then the text we're going to set will be maybe the text edit dot text. So I'll just remove this, or I'll comment it out. So this is how you copy stuff to the clipboard with clipboard set, and clipboard get is getting stuff from the clipboard. So if I run that, and then I write this, and then I press copy, I can just come here to my sample text, and then I paste it. So that is how you copy and paste and get stuff from your clipboard and set stuff to your clipboard in Godot.